So I've created this dashboard for easy access to my web applications. Detroit Lions color theme going on here. I didn't want to get into the details of my network or any personal details. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do this. You can do this in any AI. I'm going to use Claude because in the paid account I'm using, it has the artifacts feature, which gives us side by side, the prompts on the left and the code and the previews on the right. And so it'll make it easy for me to show people how to do this. So what I did is I created this prompt with the help of AI to kind of optimize it for your viewing pleasure. Anyway, let me go through this. So create an HTML file for a card style dashboard featuring 10 popular websites. Each card should be a clickable link to the site with a brief description and the site name at the top. Add a subtle wiggle animation on hover. Use Detroit Lions colors for the design with the site name in black at the top and a description below it. No text links should be shown. Let's see what it comes up with. And I'll show you how to iterate it. If there's something weird, we can tweak it, but mostly it's pretty good from my experience. So kind of neat. There is a little bit of a wiggle, right? You get to test that out, and I can click on things if I wanted to, I think. Nope, doesn't go to the website, but let's open that back up. So I'm going to tweak this a little bit. I'm going to give it a white background. So we'll change background to white and add blue header with text rating popular websites. See what that looks like. So I got the color pretty good. Every once in a while, it might vary slightly from the official colors. You can just ask it if the colors are the official team colors, if you're going with team colors or company colors. Anyway, so there's this. I'm going to add a border to the cards. And then from here, I'll show you how to save it on your computer and use it. I just keep this local. It's just for this computer. So go to also the blue. I don't hate that. You could go black. The wiggle's a little weird. You could tweak that if you wanted to. But anyways, let me show you how we would put that on our computer. I got some weirdness going on here. Let's go to demo. So we'll just put it right here. I already have a notepad up, so I'll just paste that code in here, and then I'm going to save it. If I go back to that folder, it's there. We can double click it, and we can have a look. What's neat is it'll auto resize, auto position the cards so you can easily access them. I like it. Let me show you one more thing what you can do. So let's change colors. Let's use maybe the Pistons color. So change colors to Detroit Pistons. So you can try different things, and with Claude, it's going to have the history in your chat, the code history, right? You can go and pick which code you prefer. You can iterate that. So there's Pistons colors. Looks pretty close anyways. Personally, I like the Lions ones better. So I guess I got to roll back to get that. Pistons. We'll come up here and grab. And this is the one I already showed you. Anyways, I figured it would be neat to show people this. And let me know what you think. Let me know if you have ideas, other simple things that you might want to learn how to do with AI. I'm going to start showing some parsing projects that relate to what I've been doing at work. Anyways, thanks.